Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So how you doing? So today we're going to be doing something really cool. I just picked up this random pencil at home and I decided to draw an eye, a realistic eye, and I just wanted to show you guys that I could use any kind of pencil you find anywhere and you can just draw something really good with it. So just sit down and relax and let me show you how to do it. So here is the pencil and yeah, so let's start drawing. And I noticed that it was a bit rough at first because the texture is really hard, it's different. So but the trick is don't put so much pressure, just take your time and just make your strokes really light. So just take your time and just keep shading in, just keep your strokes as light as possible. Then whenever you need to make a dark impression, you apply more pressure. So here is the final result. Tell me what you think in the comment section. I hope you like this drawing. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thank you.